Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about another array function known as filter. Just to mention, there are lots of array functions that are helpful. You can go online and make some research about them. So back to using the filter function on our arrays. The filter function is just a function that filters through an array. To filter the array we have here, this array, let's create a variable of filter friend list, and let's set that to friend list dot filter. Filter and map are all default functions in JavaScript and ES6. Friend list dot filter, then let's still iterate through the whole item. Let's return the item that is set to Ada. So with this, I have filtered the Ada item from my array. Now let's console.log filter friend list and see what we have. So you can see Ada is being returned to me. Also, I can return everything in an array list that is not Ada, and I can do that by adding the exclamation mark here. I'll take one equal sign out and I'll add the exclamation mark here. So when I run our code, so you can see every other name in the friend list is returned apart from Ada. So this means return every item that is not Ada. For now, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next video.